Alright, let us now log into the admin area. Okay, you can see this is the admin area and this is the tickets section, and this is an example of a ticket being opened. This is by default opened by osTicket after you have installed. And let's go directly to the admin panel. Click on this link. Okay, you can see this is the system preferences and settings. So over here you can specify whatever that you like on how you want the support system to run on your website. So you can see here you can disable it anytime you want by just checking on this radio button. Let's make it online. And the help desk URL, this is the help desk URL. So this will be the URL where your customers or your prospects will go to if they want to open up a support ticket. And the help desk name or the title, so let's change this. Let's say like mine. Okay, default page size, you can choose how big you want the page size to be. Default email template, you can specify the template later on. Support department, the default department. Okay, before that let's open the main site, so I'll show you how it will look like. Okay, there you go. So this will be the location where your prospects will be using or will be opening the support ticket by going to this URL. So when they click on this open new ticket, they will be presented with this page. So this will be the place where they will type in the full name, email address, the telephone number, which is optional, and the help topic. This is an example. You can see there are 3 help topics over here, but of course you can specify or you can change it to whatever that you want. And later on I will show you how to do this in the later part of the video series. Okay, so let's go back. So that is the support department. Now the next one is a staff session timeout. So this is about more to ideal time in minutes. You can disable it or you can just remain it as the default number. Clickable URLs, by default it has clicked the checkbox has been clicked because this is important. That means when you want to reply or when your prospect send you any email with a URL, and it will make the URL clickable, so it will be much easier for the prospects or the customers and the customer support. Now another one is enable autocron. Okay, next, the date and time, you can change to whatever that you want, the default time zone according to your country. Now the ticket options and settings, ticket IDs, you want it whether to be sequential or random. So you can see here random is recommended. And the maximum open tickets, so maximum number of open tickets for one email address. This will help prevent spam and flood control. You can see here. So in case there are any spammers who like to open up many support tickets using an automated script, then you can block them by using this feature. And auto lock time, minutes to lock a ticket on activity. Ticket grace period, hours before ticket is marked overdue. Reopen tickets, auto assign reopen tickets to the last respondent available. You can see this 3 months limit. Assigned tickets, show assigned tickets on open queue. Ticket priority, the default priority is normal. Okay, it's not shown over here. The default priority is normal, but you can change it to low, high, or emergency if you want. But of course, normally we will just put in normal as default. And you can also click this, allow client to override or set priority. So if you click this, on this section there will appear priority. Okay, so that your customers or your prospects can determine or specify whether the ticket that they open is on priority mode or just normal mode. That means how urgent the issue needs to be resolved, or how urgent the issue needs to be replied. Now next is the email settings. You can enable POP3 email fetch if you want. You can also enable email piping. I will just skip this. Save raw headers, removing quoted reply. Okay, when you reply, if you want to remove the quoted reply from the person who write the message, then you'll just leave this box checked. The default email, your email address, you can change this email address later on. The no reply email address, alert from email address, there are many emails you can over here. System admin email address, so you can specify the email address of your own over here. Okay, now next is the autoresponders global setting. Autorespond includes the ticket ID required to check status of the ticket. If you want to activate autoresponders, then just click on the enable button here. Same for the new message. Okay, alerts and notices. This is quite important. This is used to alert your staff when a new ticket or new message is opened. So as for me personally, I'll just enable it. So when a new ticket is opened, I will be informed. And when a new message is opened or replied, then I will also be informed. Okay, or your staff will be informed. You can even specify whether the members or your department manager or the admin email will be informed. So you can choose. Overdue. If there's an email overdue or ticket overdue, then you will also be informed. I'll just enable this. Ticket denied notice. Okay, send over limit notice. System errors. This is also important. In case there are any system errors on your script, then the system will send you email. So it can be either SQL errors, mail pass errors, or excessive login attempts. So once you have done all this, just click on the Save Changes button. Okay, there you go. So basically it's quite straightforward, and of course all these settings will depend on your company or your own business policy on how you want it to run the support ticket system. Okay, now let's proceed to the attachments section. Click on this link, and over here this is the settings where on whether you want to allow attachments to be uploaded to the ticket system. So basically or normally we do not turn this on because it is not recommended, and it will actually put a strain on your server because anyone can just attach a file and then upload it to your server. So it is not recommended unless it is very important for the according to the nature of your business. Then please try not to turn on this feature. So but if you want to turn on this feature, then just as per normal, just click on or check this box, and there are options for you to choose over here. You can accept emailed files. You can also allow online attachments upload. Okay, just click here, and also you can check on this box, which is a better security mode where only authentic users will be allowed to upload the files. And at the same time, the staff response files you can see here, this will allow your staff to email attachments to the user. Now this is important. Maximum file size. Of course, you will try to limit the file size and do not put just any big files to be uploaded. You cannot allow such things to happen because it is quite critical or quite dangerous if you just put unlimited number of unlimited file size allowed to be uploaded to the server. So try to limit the file size. Okay, this is the attachment folder, and this is the type of files accepted to be uploaded. So let's say if you want to allow your prospects or your customers to upload files with the document files, then just or remain this dot doc and dot pdf if you want to allow them to upload pdf files. So let's say if you want to allow them to upload zip files, then just add in zip files. Just put comma, put a dot zip. Okay, for example. So let's say if you want to allow another one, dot tar or mp3 for example, mp3 files, then just put mp3. Okay, so this is how you do it. So once you are done, just click on save changes. Okay,